Really well. He's got a few cucumbers on there. There's one there, one down there, and there's a couple up here. We shall have to see how that gets on. June 24th, 2023. There is another cucumber, and that's a melon. I had a spare melon in a little pot somewhere, so I thought I'll put it in there and see what happens. This cucumber, I pulled it off from the ground because it wasn't doing well. It was in a shady place. So another plant out of this, and I put this in here. See what happens. It's coming alive now. He went into a shock, but it's coming alive. Right, let's have a look how that cucumber's getting on. It's 24th of August 2023, and here it is. That almost died. I took it off the ground and I put it into this pot. There was another plant in there, so I took that plant out and planted in this pot. I took a couple of cucumbers from this to make a salad, and this was going really high. That's about nearly 6 foot high, but I'll cut the top off from here so that it doesn't grow no more. I've got another cucumber coming there. As you can see, it looks very, very healthy. Right, let's have a look how big this has grown. Right, it's 12 inches long. Let's have a look. It's 2.5 to 3 inches wide. The girth is 2.5 to 3 inches. I can't even get my hand around it, and it's still growing. All you want is one slice to make a sandwich instead of 3 slices. That's going to be a massive cucumber, that. Lovely.